Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to Jim Scott's Weather Desk. I'm Jim Scott, and this is your national weather forecast for Saturday, January the 17th. As we head into the weekend, winter remains firmly in control across much of the country, with cold air locked in place, light snow chances lingering in parts of the Midwest and the Great Lakes, and quieter, but still chilly conditions elsewhere. Let's break it down region by region. We'll start across the plains in central United States, where Arctic air remains intense. Temperatures are running well below normal, and even where skies stay dry, breezy, wind continues to add an extra bite to the air. Wind chills remain uncomfortable, and in some spots dangerously cold, especially during the morning hours. While snowfall is limited for many areas today, the cold itself is the main concern, particularly for anyone working or spending extended time outdoors. Across the Great Lakes and Midwest, it's a classic mid-January setup. Skies stay mostly cloudy, and with light snow or flurries remain possible, especially downwind of the lakes. Widespread heavy snow is not expected today, but slick spots can develop on untreated roads, particularly early this morning and again later tonight. Temperatures stay cold all day, and even light snow can have an outsized impact on these conditions. In the east and northeast, the Arctic air mass continues to settle in. Many locations are starting the day with frigid morning temperatures, and highs today will struggle to even recover very much. Any lingering moisture could spark a few flurries, but the bigger picture remains the cold itself, with the wind chills making it feel even colder. If you're heading out today, layer up and be prepared to try to stay warm. It's going to be an uncomfortable condition. Farther south, conditions are quieter, but still chilly by southern standards. Cloud cover lingers some areas, with a isolated light shower or sprinkle possible, but most locations stay dry. Even here, temperatures are running cooler than average, reminding us that this Arctic air has pushed well beyond its boundaries. Out west, the weather picture remains much calmer. High pressure continues to dominate the west coast and the Rockies, bringing dry conditions and plenty of sunshine. Temperatures are running near to slightly above average, making for a good travel and outdoor conditions. However, the ongoing lack of moisture continues to raise concern about the mountain snowpack, especially in the Sierra Nevadas and Cascades. Something well continued watching closely. So as we move through the rest of the weekend, cold air stays locked in across much of the country. Light snow chances continue in the Great Lakes and Midwest. The West remains dry for now, and winter stays firmly in control. I'll keep tracking any changes closely, especially if snow chances increase or if cold air pushes even farther south. That's your national weather forecast for Saturday, January the 17th from Jim Scott's Weather Desk. Now let's take a look at what's ahead as we move through the rest of the weekend and into early next week. For Saturday, Indiana and Ohio, here's what you're looking at. We'll start off with watching a chance of snow showers, mainly during the early morning hours, especially before 10 a.m. Any snow that falls looks light, with less than a half inch of accumulation expected in most spots. As we move through the late morning and into the afternoon, skies turn partly sunny and gradually improve throughout the day. High temperatures reach near 29 degrees. Winds will be out of the west at 7 to 11 miles per hour, with wind gusts occasionally up to 21 miles per hour, so it'll feel a bit colder at times. Overall, Saturday is a cold day, but once the morning snow showers move out, travel conditions should improve. Saturday night turns partly cloudy and quiet. Temperatures drop to around 11 degrees with a light west wind near 7 miles per hour. It's a cold night, but calm compared to what we've seen recently. Heading into Sunday, we see a bit more sunshine. Skies turn mostly sunny, but don't let that fool you. It stays cold. High temperatures only reach around 21 degrees. Winds remain out of the west at 6 to 10 miles per hour, with wind gusts up to 21 miles per hour, adding an extra chill to the air. Sunday night brings mostly cloudy skies. Temperatures fall back to around 8 degrees. Winds turn southwest at 9 to 13 miles per hour, with gusts reaching up to 24 miles per hour, making it feel even colder overnight. Monday is Martin Luther King Day. Sunny skies in the forecast, but the cold tightens its grip on us. High temperatures struggle to reach around 13 degrees, making it one of the coldest days we've seen so far. By Monday night, skies turn mostly clear, allowing temperatures to drop sharply. Overnight falls to around 2 above zero. So this is a very cold night, and you'll want to plan accordingly. So overall, we're dealing with light snow chances early Saturday, followed by dry but cold conditions, plenty of sunshine at times, and very cold nights as we head into early next week. I'll continue to track any changes and keep you up to date. That's your latest forecast from Jim Scott's Weather Desk. Stay safe and have a good day, and try to stay warm.